Yasmin says, can a lady lead the prayer in-house with other ladies? For example, can I lead the prayer with my daughters? And where should I stand as an imam? First of all, it is permissible for a female to lead other females when there are no non-mahram around. This is totally permissible. And unfortunately, again, we see people introducing things into Islam which can be blasphemous. And this is the way of the enemies of Islam in attacking Islam, trying to undermine the infrastructure of Islam. We're getting news from a mosque here or there in Europe where they try to integrate men and women in congregation, in salat, in the masjid. And I saw one with two imams, a woman and a man, both leading the prayer of men and women, intermingling together, no barriers, a man standing next to a woman, and the women were not wearing hijab. So I thought for a second that this is a new cult, because definitely this is not Islam. And it is not Islam. Yet, it is obvious that the enemies of Islam and the hypocrites are collaborating, trying to destroy Islam from within. So those who are distant from Islam would consider this to be something new, something worth praising and supporting, not knowing that this is blasphemy, changing the religion of Allah Azza wa Jal, defying the purpose of hijab. These people don't even know the Quran, don't know the Sunnah, and they're introducing this new gimmick of theirs to, again, attack the infrastructure of Islam. This is totally unacceptable, and their prayers are all invalid. But for a woman to pray with other women, this is totally legit. Yet, it is totally prohibited to allocate a masjid only for women. And this is, again, another innovation. Women can pray together in their homes, there's no problem. To build a masjid and say that this is for women only, to have a woman leading them 5 times a day, or to even give them the Friday khutbah, this is totally prohibited and an innovation in Allah's religion. So to answer you, Yasmin, yes, you can lead your daughters, your sisters, your friends, and as an imam, you must not stand in front of them like the imam of men stands in front of them. You should stand within the first line next to the worshippers as one of them, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows better.